So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make any colorful image into a black and white image in your Adobe InDesign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your software in your computer, and after that you guys will need to create a file. So for that guys, you can select this option right here which says create new, or you can choose one of these shortcuts right here. Now if you select this button, then guys you get on this window and there are several options available to you. These are all templates that you can choose, and after choosing one of them, now just select this create button which is available into your bottom right corner. So guys, after getting here, you guys will need to insert an image. So there are two ways to do it. The first one is a shortcut, and that is Ctrl+D. Now just select any image. Like I'm inserting this image, and you can see guys I have inserted it here. You can resize this image just like that guys. And there is another way to insert an image in your Adobe InDesign, and that is to select this file option into your top left corner. Select this, and now select this place option right here, and now you can just select your image and select this open button. Now guys, after I have inserted my image, so guys you need to double click on your image so that you can get these brown lines. Now what you have to do is select this option right here, and now you just need to select this arrow down button right here. Now select the last option, and that's it. Now you need to deselect your image by just selecting anywhere, and now select your image again, and now you have to see the blue lines only. Just like that guys, you have to select until you get only these blue lines, and after that you guys will just need to select the colors that you want to fill with. And if you want to fill with black and white, then just select this white color called paper, and you can see the colorful image got into an black and white colorful conversion. And just like that guys, you can choose different colors like that. So just like that, you guys also can be able to convert any colorful image into a black and white image. So that's it for the video guys, and if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.